1. Fold the top towel down to expose their chest and neck. Slide your hands over their upper chest area. Rubs massage oil between your hands. 2. Focus on the shoulder well. This is an acupressure point in the middle of the tendons on either side of the base of their neck. It's a center for tension that feels good when massaged. However, only work on it for a minute, as massaging it any longer could lead to a headache. 3. Massage their clavicle. This is the indentation below their collarbone, as this is an erogenous zone. Press the clavicle gently with your thumb and forefinger. Move to the center of their breastbone, right over their heart. Feel for the dimple in the bone. This acupressure point is called the Sea of Tranquility, which is an intense relaxation trigger. Press it with your fingers and feel tension ease from your partner's chest. 4. Stimulate their nipples. Pour some oil on their chest and use a connecting stroke, or a long, fluid flat-handed rub, to move from over their nipples. Pinch the nub lightly and roll the flesh between your thumb and index finger. Do not rub or twist their nipples too hard, as this is a sensitive area. 5. Move to a position behind your partner's head. Have them lay down on their back and place a pillow under their head. Check in to make sure they are feeling good and are ready for the last part of the massage session, a massage of the neck and head. 6. Make long, smooth strokes from their waist up to their shoulders. As you come back to their shoulders, gently use the backs of your hands to continue stroking your partner's neck and under their chin. 7. Massage around their shoulders and up to the back of their neck. Make small pressure circles, using the pads of your thumbs, either side of the spine to the base of the skull. Never touch the spine itself, it's uncomfortable and can cause injury. Do not wrap your hands around the front of your partner's neck, as this could be uncomfortable. Avoid putting any pressure on the indentation behind their eyes, just above their jawline. This area, if pressed on, can cause facial paralysis, so steer clear of it. 8. Run your hands up their neck lightly and cup their head in your hands. Where their neck meets their skull, you will find little hollows in the bone. Their hollows are acupressure points and little-known erogenous zones. Put your fingers on the hollows and gradually increase pressure, but do not press too hard. 9. Rub their temples and their forehead. Take the time to massage their entire head with firm circular strokes. 10. Finish the massage. Ask your partner how they are feeling and if there were any areas you missed, or that still need to be massaged. Wrap your partner up in towels so they stay warm and relaxed. Allow them to rest or remain still as they feel the positive after effects of a full body massage.